Alright, hello. Today I'm going to show you my half horsepower garage door openers. I have one here and one here. I am going to press this one. Meanwhile, let's just see what we're doing. So, here. Here's my dog. Where did I put the opener? Right. So, here's my new dog, Gracie. She is a pit bull. Can I shut it? Oops. Can I shut it? Okay, I'm gonna shut it. So, meanwhile, in the near future, I can use this. Now I can't show you the code. Nearest future. So in the near future, I can now I am going to show you my other garage door opener. This one, okay, to bottom. Watch this. They were just put in September, and they're brand new. September, like somewhere. It was in the middle of September sometime, but they are really good garage door openers for us. And our house is real old. Okay, so if you didn't see it, hopefully you didn't. So, I am going to shut our number 3. And number 2 is this one right here. Number 3 is this one right here. So I'm going to open it back up for you. Then I'm going to shut them so I can go down and do the other one. If you haven't noticed. So you can hook them up to your phone, which we haven't done yet. Oh, man. So number 1's for down there. Do you mind if I shut them? Because I'm going to go down there. Okay. So here is what I'm going to do.
Hey, Hudson, there's them out here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So I am going to go outside. And I'm going to turn off the light burst so you don't waste electricity. So sometimes we lose power in this house. It's really old. The original garage door opener was old, so we had 2. Oh, yes. I used it already.
Okay.
But can I press enter and show them?
Absolutely.
I'm going to put the garage door remote down here. Should I show them the sensors? Okay. I'm going to show you something.
Don't.
What? Oh, I can press enter.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm going to do something. It has the sensors. Same thing with that one over there. It has the same speech feature. So I can press enter. And then I can shut that. And meanwhile, I have this. We have some. Sometimes we have box elder unbox elder buns that come bugs. So meanwhile, right here, I will shut this garage door. Okay. So meanwhile, I can go around here.
Watch your footing.
Yep, I know. So there's some snow. Can I tell them what state we live in?
Yeah, that's fine.
We live in Wisconsin. We get snow here at my school. There's slides because there's a little hill. So here is our garage that we don't use. And there's my Play-Dohs I might show this year. What? Okay. I don't know what he said, but meanwhile, while I'm over here, I can have I can't see something, so. Meanwhile, I have a big garage door. Same things, same powerful.
Gracie.
Still hook up stuff. Now back up. Maddie, get out of the sensor way. So we are going to test sensors number 1. And we're going to test them. So same thing here. Light. Okay, so here. Same thing. I'll do the light thing real quick. So it has the, I show them the opener thing, the pressure motor.
The what?
That.
The what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now keep Maddie there and get Gracie out so I can do it.
Come here, babe. Gracie, come on.
Come on, girl. Gotta listen.
Come on, Gracie.
Can I just...
Gracie.
Alright, guys. So at the beginning of the video, like I said, we don't... This is our new dog. It's not, we're babysitting it for my dad's sister. And there's 3 children. So yeah. Right. I'm going to open this one back up. And then I am going to... And that's not our boat either. This is my dad's sister's boat. Right, so I am going to get ready while my dad holds this. And I'm going to shut it like I usually do with the other ones up there. And then I will end this video when I shut it. And we'll say bye, though. Okay. This was a half-horse. All 3 of them were half-horse professionals. Thank you for watching. Maddie likes it. Bye.